Just Easy English podcast.
Hey there. Welcome back to Just Easy English, the podcast that makes learning English, well, just easy. I'm Jordan, your host, and this is our new episode. Now, if you listen to our first episode, you know that our mission here is to help English learners at every level improve their skills in a fun and relaxed way. And speaking of every level, I'm super excited about today's episode because we have something special for you. Today, I'm excited to introduce a new voice to our Just Easy English family. Please welcome Connor. Connor is going to be joining us regularly to create content specifically designed for our beginner learners. Now you might notice that Connor speaks a bit slower than I do, and that's completely intentional. He's going to take his time with pronunciation, repeat important phrases, and really make sure our newest English learners can follow along easily. So whether you're just starting your English journey or you want to review the basics, Connor's segments are going to be perfect for you. And for those of you who are more advanced, don't worry. You'll still get plenty of value from listening to clear, well-paced English. We will have many upcoming episodes for your level 2. All right, are you ready to meet Connor and dive into some beginner-friendly English learning? Let's do this. Connor, take it away.
Thank you, Jordan. Hello, everyone. I'm Connor, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast is for you. Yes, you. Who wants to speak English with more confidence? Maybe you feel nervous when you speak English. Maybe you think English is too difficult. Maybe you don't know where to start. Well, today I have good news for you. Learning English doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be boring. And you don't need to be perfect to start speaking. In today's episode, we will learn about simple and easy steps to English success. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's begin this beautiful journey together. 1. Shadowing method. Today, I want to teach you about shadowing method. Here's how it works. You listen to me speak. You copy my voice. You don't think too much. You just repeat what you hear. Let's try it now. I will say something, and you repeat after me. Ready? I am learning English every day. English is fun and easy. I can speak English well. Every day, I get better. Excellent. You're doing great. Don't worry if it sounds strange at first. Mirror learning helps your mouth remember English sounds. It's like exercise for your speaking muscles. The magic of shadowing is this. You don't translate in your head. You don't worry about grammar, rules. You just copy the sounds. This helps you speak more naturally and more quickly. 2. The 5-minute English day method. Now, let me share something very important with you. Many students say to me, Connor, I'm too busy. I don't have time to study English. My life is full of work, family, and other things. I understand. Life is busy. But here's a secret. You don't need hours to learn English. You just need 5 minutes every day. Yes, only 5 minutes. Let me show you my 5-minute English method. Morning, when you wake up, before you check your phone, say 3 English sentences about your day. Today is a good day. I will learn something new. English makes me happy. Let's practice this now. Repeat after me. Today is a good day. I will learn something new. English makes me happy. Lunchtime. During lunch, listen to one English song or one short English video. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just listen and enjoy. You can listen to simple English songs, English weather reports, short English stories for children, English cooking videos. Remember, understanding 30% is better than understanding 0%. Every little bit helps. Evening. Before bed, think about your day in English. You can think simple thoughts like, today I ate rice and chicken. The weather was sunny. I talked to my friend. Tomorrow I will study English. Let's practice thinking in English. I'll give you a sentence, and you repeat it. Today I ate rice and chicken. The weather was sunny. I talked to my friend. Tomorrow I will study English. This is your 5-minute English day. It's small, it's easy, and it works. Small steps every day create big changes over time. If you do 5 minutes for all morning, lunchtime and evening, you will practice 15 minutes each day. Is it easy? 3. The English friend technique. Here's another powerful technique I want to share with you. I call it the English friend technique. What do I mean by English friend? Well, you can practice English even when you're alone. How? By talking to yourself in English. I know. You might think, Connor, talking to myself? That's strange. But listen, this is one of the best ways to practice English. And it's free. Here's how the English friend technique works. Step 1. Choose your English friend. Your English friend can be your favorite English teacher like me, a character from an English movie, an imaginary friend who only speaks English, even your pet. Yes, you can talk to your cat in English. Step 2. Have conversations with your English friend. You can talk about your day. Hello, friend. Today I went to the market. Your feelings. I feel happy because the sun is shining. Your plans. Tomorrow I want to learn new English words. Simple questions. What's your favorite food? How was your day? Let's practice this together. Imagine I'm your English friend. Let's have a simple conversation. I'll ask you questions, and you can answer out loud. Me. Hello. How are you today? What did you eat for breakfast? What's your favorite color? What makes you happy? Perfect. You see, having an English friend is easy and fun. You can practice anywhere, in your room, while walking, even in the shower. Step 3. Don't worry about mistakes. Your English friend doesn't judge you. Your English friend doesn't care about grammar mistakes. Your English friend just wants to talk and have fun with you. Remember, mistakes are how we learn. Every mistake is a step closer to speaking better English. 4. Building your English habit stack. Now I want to teach you about something called English habit stack. This is a very smart way to add English to things you already do every day. A habit stack works like this. You take something you already do, like brushing your teeth, and you add English to it. Here are some examples. While brushing your teeth, count in English 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 30. By the time you finish counting, your teeth are clean. Let's practice counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While making coffee or tea, say what you're doing in English. I am making coffee. The water is hot. I add sugar. This smells good. Let's practice these sentences. I am making coffee. The water is hot. I add sugar. This smells good. While walking, describe what you see. I see a red car. There are many trees. The sky is blue today. People are walking fast. Repeat after me. I see a red car. There are many trees. The sky is blue today. People are walking fast. While waiting for the bus, in line, etc., practice simple English sentences in your mind. I am waiting for the bus. Time moves slowly when you wait. I will be patient. The beautiful thing about habit stacking is that you don't need extra time. You're already doing these things, so you just add English to them. My dear English learners, we're almost at the end of today's journey together. But this is not really an ending. It's a beginning. Let me leave you with 3 important messages. 1. You are already amazing. You are here, listening to this podcast in English. That means you are already doing something wonderful. You are already on your English journey. Be proud of yourself. 2. Small steps, big dreams. Remember, you don't need to be perfect today. You don't need to speak like a native speaker tomorrow. You just need to take one small step every day. 5 minutes of shadowing practice. 5 minutes of English friend conversation. 5 minutes of habit stacking. These small steps will take you to big places. 3. English is your friend, not your enemy. English is here to help you connect with the world. It's here to help you share your beautiful thoughts and ideas. Don't be afraid of English. Welcome English into your life like a good friend. Before we finish, let's practice one more time together. I'll say some positive sentences, and you repeat them with confidence. I can learn English. I can learn English. Every day I get better. Every day I get better. English is my friend. English is my friend. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. My English journey starts today. My English journey starts today. Beautiful. You did amazing today. Remember, I'm here with you on this journey. Every day. Through this podcast, we will learn and grow together. Thank you for spending this time with me. Until the next episode, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep smiling. This is Connor from Just Easy English. See you next time.